video except for the shorts that I've posted before. I just thought what better day to start than my birthday, which is by the way on 18th. You're probably watching this the next day. So I do not really have any plans going on because of the pandemic situation. So I thought why not just get ready in front of you guys, eat lots of food, of course, and also click lots of pictures for my Instagram. And that's the plan for the day. So yeah, for today's video I have created this neutral eyes and red bold lips, which is kind of complementing the black dress that I'm wearing. Everything by the way is mentioned in the description box below. Please check it out. And yeah, let's get started.
So I'm starting off with moisturizing my face, for which I'm taking the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer and applying it all over my face. Moving on to the primer, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer and concentrating it on my T-zone. I'm also using the MAC Strobe Cream in Pinklite and applying it on the high points of my cheeks and bridge of my nose so that it gives me a glowy base to work on. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 312 and applying it with my Damn Beauty Blender. It's a full coverage foundation, so you don't really need to apply a lot, just a pump of it is enough. For concealer, I'm taking both the Elegant Pro Concealer as well as the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now the Elegant one is a little darker one, so it would help to cancel out the darkness under your eyes, whereas the lighter one would help you to highlight. Up next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Light Beige and applying it all over my face with a big fluffy brush. Then for contouring, I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette and contouring my cheekbones, my nose as well as my jawline. Moving on to my favorite part, which is blush, I'm using the Miss Claire blusher in the shade 05 and apply it on the apples of my cheeks as well as the tip of my nose. Then I'm using the LA Colors blush and highlighter palette and mixing up most of the shades and applying it to my cheekbone as well as the bridge of my nose. Now for eyes, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Color eyeshadow palette. I'm using the brown shade over here. The brush shows like the yellow one, but no. I'm using the brown shade and using it all over my eyelids with a blending brush. Then I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner and creating a winged eyeliner. I'm also creating a small line on my inner corner so that it gives me kind of a foxy eye look. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara and applying a few coats of it on my lashes. I quickly went ahead and filled my eyebrows using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Grey. And there you go, my eyes are done. Moving on to my lips, I'm using one of the cult favorite lipstick of most of the people, which is MAC Ruby Woo. First, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with a lip liner and then fill them up with the Ruby Woo. I also felt like deepening up the lip color a little more, so I went ahead with the Sephora lip stain in the shade Dark Red. And moving on to the last part, I'm finishing off this makeup look with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and that's it. Makeup done.
That's it for the video, you guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, you know the drill. Please go ahead and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys very soon.